Why do you cry?
What are you fighting for again?
What can I bring for you on this glorious afternoon?
I don't know.
What would you describe last night? We saw a very peculiar creature on the riverbed. How would you describe it?
I don't know.
What exactly does it mean to be emotional? Do we choose to be happy or sad?
I don't know.
What am I doing here? Here in beneficial, and what am I doing in this world?
I don't know. I don't know much, but when it's time to go, it's time to go. Leave behind my life, my home, the whole lot. Stroll off, whistling them every tune. Tell my peeps I check them soon, but ready get but do. I'm leaving. I miss the digs a lot. All you fucking hippie know-it-alls can suck my dick a lot. You don't know diddly squat. I don't know much, I know this and that's enough, and that's the difference. What? I'm ready to get pissed off, but you piss me off. Man with all the answers ain't asking the right questions, at least. That's what I reckon. I reckon if you could just be real for a second, we could all breathe a sigh of relief. See you hiding your weakness, see your lies and deceit. And I ain't buying it, chief, but I ain't trying to beef. I clock your essence, it shine with luminous, so bright. So why you try to cover the light? I know why, it's right there from your iris. Scared of the light, there's nowhere to hide it. It's there in your eyes, and I ain't talking about your hate, I'm talking about your sacred. Pump up your chest, give yourself a break, kid, give yourself a rest. There really is no need for all the distress. He's a dick, she's a bitch, I'm the best and all the rest. Shit. How we gonna get ourselves out of this mess? It's anybody's guess. I don't know. Very much, but neither do you. I don't know, very much, but neither do you. You find me up the mountainside, suffering with moonlight, looking out a place like Bill Tough, nailing a do-rag, praying to my gods to send us to suck these blue nights. Bugger dash these rainbow Nazis in the gulag. I never fitted in, still longing for belonging. I promise you belonging if your comedies are common. And as quickly as it's possible, your bodies are forgotten. There, nothing lasts forever, so it's probably not a problem. Don't be solemn if I pop my clogs. I'm happy with exactly what I've got and what I've done. That's not a lot, but it's been fun. Send apologies to all the girls. I was dumb. Tell my mum she's the best mum ever, number one. And I'm done. Nah, wait, I'm still awake, still a walking, talking sack of contradictions with the bass, and it's great. It's fucking great. I'm not sure why. I don't know, I couldn't say. All I know is that I know. Wow, very much, but neither do you. Wow, I don't know. No. Very much, but neither do you. Why? I've been living in a world where old hippies beat their wives and young hippies preach divine peace and love and carry knives. Shit's I'm confused. Try to understand the why. Got about as far as everybody's probably too high and gave up. Wake up and bake up. That's why you stay stuck in the same rut. And I was in the same rut until I gave up. Getting K'd up, embrace love and let some shit go. I know it sounds dumb, but I did though. Cliche with arms and legs.